on the CBDR and how this can create a super powerful edge. Now, some of this information you may have seen already, but I'm sure I'm going to show you something at the end that you've not seen. And I'm going to show you how accurate it is to the pip. Now, the central bank dealers range is from 2 p.m. until 8 p.m. New York time. I like to mark out the session up to the 7:55 candle that closes at 8. Now, for EU, you have to find the range and you have to use the candle bodies only, right? So I've drawn my fib to show you between this. We have this is the top candle body. This is the bottom. Now, it's not strict in terms of the time. You have to, with experience, you'll start understanding what the actual range is. Okay, so from here to here. And now, how do you know that this candle is the actual range and not this candle? Well, look here. The price was being very strict about what range to use. So to the pip, this is to the candle body, and this respected it to the wick. Okay, so once you've drawn it out, you extend it out a number of standard deviations. So let me just show you for the sake of good order. First standard deviation, second standard deviation, third. So this we expect a potential high of the day. What did we do? This was Asia. We raided Asia. London raided Asia. And see here, this is the projected CBDR range. And look, the candle body respected it to the pip. Can you see that? And this was indeed the high of the day. We even had a crazy wick at 8:30 news, but it was respected because this was going to be the high of the day. And I took multiple shorts off the back of this. Now that's amazing, right? But let me show you something even more powerful. And people say it doesn't work for the DXY, but it does. So this is the dollar index. Slightly different rules here though. So again, it's 2 p.m. until 8 p.m. Right? We use 7:55 because that candle closes at 8. But this time we use the wicks for DXY. We use the wicks. Again, we extend out. And what do we have here? Second standard deviation. This is what it would be. And this is it. Here it is to the pip again. And this was the low of the day. So this is super powerful. You could create an edge based off of this. Maybe wait for a 1 minute break of structure or 5 minute break of structure. Look right here. So maybe you confirm here. You got your 5 minute break of structure. And that's where you could probably come in. Or you could even wait for a 15. It's up to you how much extra confirmation you want. But this is just you guaranteed to go up the top of the day or the bottom of the day, assuming everything works out. Now, there's other things that I could talk about. You know, you don't want this to be ranging. You want it to be a fixed amount of about 30 pips or so. You want Asia to create the Juju swing. And then you know you're going the other way. So again, EU use the wicks on the 5 minute. Very important to use the 5 minute. 5 minute is a key time frame. I know people say there's no such thing as a key time frame, but 5 minute is key for certain things. And you'll see here the body respected it. And for DXY, use the bodies. And it just takes a little bit of experience because sometimes the time will be off by a little bit, but you have to try to understand what range is it trying to make, right? What range is it trying to make? So it went into the range and this is the range it's making. Right, do some back testing, but this is a super, super powerful edge. Give me a shout if you have any questions. My Instagram's there.